Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install MySQL database on your system. So open your favorite web browser. There you need to type MySQL and hit enter. You have to visit this first website www.mysql.com. Here you have to go to this download section. Then you have to go down. Here you will see this link MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Click on that and then you have to click on this MySQL installer for Windows. Then click on this download button to download the installer and then click on this no thanks, just start my download. Once the installer is downloaded, click on it. From this window you can choose your setup type. I'll go with this custom. So these are the available products. Firstly, we will be adding MySQL Server. We will expand this MySQL Server 8.0. From here we'll select this and we'll drag this here. Products to be installed, right? After that we have to expand this applications. Here you can see MySQL Workbench. Then expand this and add the latest version. Similarly, we have to select the latest version of this shell. Simply click on next. So for all these three products we will be requiring this Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. So you need to select and click execute. So Microsoft Visual C++ will be installed on your system. Once this is installed, go to next, then click on execute to install the following packages. These are getting downloaded. Once these are downloaded, click simply on next and again click on execute. These are now getting installed. Once the installation is complete, simply click on next again and then again next. Type and networking, keep it default. Simply click on next. Authentication method, keep it to the one which is recommended. Again next. So by default there is a root account for which we have to select some password. So you can enter the password here. And instead of root, if you want to keep some other username, then simply click on this add user. I'll go with root only, then click on next. Keep everything as default. Select next again. Now to apply configuration, click on this execute. Once it's done, simply click on this finish button. Now again select next option. So the installation is successfully complete. Simply click finish button. So I hope you understood how we can download and install MySQL on our system. Thank you for watching.